Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on UGC NTA Net Paper First. जी हाँ, most expected questions, multiple choice questions on people development and environment एक important chapter है, पेपर फर्स्ट में पूछा जाता है, जिस पर कि हम सीरीज में पार्ट 13 यहाँ पर हम डिस्कस करने चल रहे हैं. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Fluidized bed combustion of coal is an efficient method of controlling which of the following air pollutants? If you compare, so correct option is D, CO, SPM and SOx. 2. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and other as region. तो देखते हैं assertion क्या है. One of the movements of the surface water of ocean is known as ocean current. Okay. अब देखिए इसका रीजन क्या है. Ocean currents are caused mainly due to planetary winds and the difference in temperature and density of water. In the context of the above two statements, सही कौन सा है? नीचे जो ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं. अब अगर आप यहाँ ध्यान से देखें तो मूवमेंट ऑफ सरफेस ऑफ वाटर का क्या जो दिया हुआ है, ओशन करंट्स आर कॉज्ड मेनली ड्यू टू प्लेनेटरी विंड्स एंड, क्या इसका सही एक्सप्लेनेशन है? तो आप पाएंगे सही एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है. तो हियर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी, वेयर ए तो सही है लेकिन आर सही नहीं है. सो आर इज फॉल्स. 3. Tsunami occurs due to, correct option is B, strong earthquakes and landslides in the oceans. 4th, which of the natural hazards have big effect on Indian people each year? Normally floods. ये क्वेश्चन कई बार रिपीटेडली आया है, फ्लड्स ध्यान में रखिएगा. 5. Comparative environment impact assessment study is to be conducted for, the correct option is A, the whole year. 6. Sea level rise results in primarily due to, correct option is B, melting of glaciers. 7. The plume rise in coal based power plant depends on, correct option is B, that is second and third only. Second is atmospheric stability and third momentum of exhaust gases. 8. Winds blowing down an incline often due to cold and damage cold air drainage are called, correct option is C, cyclonic winds. 9. Mixing height is, ये कई बार अक्सर पूछा गया है. So here correct option is A, the height of ground waste inversion. अगर न समझ में आ रहा है तो उसको इनफैक्ट याद करने की जरूरत है. मिक्सिंग हाइट दैट इज ग्राउंड वेस्ट, height of ground waste inversion. 10. For a comprehensive EIA study, it is to be conducted for, correct option is B, any 3 seasons including monsoon. 11. In initial environmental examination, the following are considered as, correct option is B, primary data. 12. Which of the following forest types is most widespread in India? Temperate forest. So correct option is C. 13. The presence of pneumatophores is seen in, correct option is D, mangroves. 14. Ramsar Convention is related to convention of, correct option is A, tiger. 15. A significant effect of climate change on account of global warming of terrestrial plants will be on, correct option is A, stomatal mechanism. तो A यहाँ पर सही ऑप्शन है अगर आप और उसे कंपेयर करें, अदरवाइज ये सही है. 16. A tree which is popular in social forestry program in India is Shorea Robusta. Correct option is A. 17. The Great Indian Rhino has its natural home in काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क. कई बार पीछे भी आया है. राइनो का डायरेक्ट संबंध काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क से है. 18. According to the Botanical Survey of India, the total number of plant species in India is about 45,000. So correct option is A. 19. अब ये assertion और reason का सवाल है, जरा ध्यान से देखते हैं. Assertion A, that cotton is a transgenic crop which has been introduced in India but is being opposed on environmental grounds. Reason: specific protein named as CRYIAC in BT cotton has been found to be toxic and allergic to human beings. अगर आप इनको ध्यान से देखें तो जो बातें वहां कही गई हैं उसी का एक्सप्लेनेशन यहां पर है. अगर आपको नहीं भी पता है कुछ टिपिकल वर्ड्स की वजह से, लेकिन अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो दोनों सही हैं और आर इसका सही एक्सप्लेनेशन भी है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए. 20. ऑक्सीजन टॉक्सिसिटी is caused by, correct option is B, generation of free radicals. 21. C2F3C3 gas, correct option is B, affects troposphere zone. 22. Which of the following shows bio accumulation and contaminate food chains? A. Pesticides. B. Chlorinated biphenyls. C. Pan. Or D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. 23. Removal of which of the following impurities from contaminated water requires the coagulants? So coagulants here, correct option is B, dissolved solids, not colloidal impurities, microorganisms. No, this is dissolved solids. 24. The most efficient method of biodegradable urban solid waste management is composting. So correct option is D. 25. Pollutants in soil can be broken down by microorganisms. The process is called bioremediation. So ध्यान रहे, bioremediation, that is मिट्टी के शुद्धिकरण की बात हम करते हैं. 26. A thermodynamic function of state which is constant during a reversible isothermal process is, correct option is D, gives free energy. ये याद करने की जरूरत है. 27. t-statistic is useful for testing, correct option B, overall goodness of fit of regression model. So here correct option is B. 28. 1 metric ton of average coal in energy terms is equivalent to, correct option is D, 2.0 barrels of oil. 29. In marine environment, carbonate compensation depth CCD is defined as depth at which, correct option is A, carbonate begins to dissolve. So here correct option is A. 30. In an idealized hydrodynamic power plant, the maximum power output varies with fuel velocity as, correct option is C, U3. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope you have liked it. If you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.